Imagine floating in the darkness of space, and suddenly, you hear this. These are the actual sounds recorded by NASA, not from Earth, but from the giant planets of our solar system. Jupiter, roaring like a storm that never ends. Saturn, a haunting hiss, almost like whispers in the dark. And Uranus, sending out sharp electric pulses, like something alive is hiding beneath its atmosphere. But here's the truth. Space is supposed to be silent. No air, no sound. So what are we really hearing? NASA explains it as radio waves, converted into sound we can recognize. But some of these signals come in strange patterns, too organized, too deliberate. It makes you wonder, are these planets speaking in ways we don't understand? Or is someone else using them to send us a message?